Okay. Here is Destin Isaiah Taylor, and he is enjoying his body. Say hey, my man. Desi. Say hello. Hey, Papa. Hello. Hello. Oh, hello. You love his mommy voice. That's right. That's alright. This is 8 weeks old and 3 days. 8 weeks and 3 days, yes. And him is mama's man. There you go. Hi. I love you. Oh, look at your smile. Gorgeous smile. Yeah. Tell me about it. Tell me what you know good. Tell me what you know good, my man. Tell me something. I don't know. We say bye-bye to the camera? We say bye-bye? Baby. You saying something. I'm sure that's his way of saying goodbye. Don't know what exactly he's saying. But you catch the drift. And he's still talking to me. Or you. He's talking. Love you. Bye, camera.